Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and this is a new accessory that you can use on your stacktech boxes. This is actually a magnet toolbar that I picked up. I gotta tell you, this thing can hold some weight, which is really cool. It is a very strong magnet toolbar. So we're just gonna take a look at it. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, guys, so here it is, a magnet toolbar. This can come in handy. So let me go ahead and just get it unboxed real quick. We'll put it on the box. We'll throw a couple of tools on. We'll see how it does. And there it is. There it is. Again, not big, but I gotta tell you, this thing's got magnets in it like you wouldn't believe. So let's check this out. Let me go ahead and give you some information on this. So this is known as the magnet tool holder or the metal tool holder. Part number is TB-G1-A03. MSRP on this is $24.99. Very hard to find, let me just tell you. If I get a link, I'll put it in the video description. This is something I stumbled on as I continue to search the internet. Now, Lowe's item number is 564-4482. Just to give you that, just in case. Now, really what this does is it gives you quick access to frequently used tools. The magnet itself can hold up to 10 pounds. Now, as far as mounting is concerned, obviously you can use the magnet to connect this to metal surfaces, but it can be directly fastened as well. It actually has holes on the bottom and the top, so you can put it any way you like in a workshop or a van, etc. Now, it is made of a heavy-duty steel construction, and it does have a limited lifetime warranty. So I've used this already, and I will show you that pretty quickly you're going to get the paint coming off of this, because it's obviously painted. So as I put tools on and I move them and take them off, the paint's going to come off. But will it do the job? I believe so. I'll take a couple of tools. This one guy here, throw it right on top, does a good job. Take this guy here, put that on there, no issues. Take this guy here, so it really grabs on, depending on how you have it situated. Now, this is one of Toughbuilt's hammers. It's the shock stop hammer. Really nice. You can put the actual nail in here, and it has a magnet, and then it actually has a spring in here that actually will take the shock from the handle, reducing as you're actually hammering, which is nice. Now, obviously a lot of rubber and stuff, but this, it wouldn't really be something you put on here, but just to show you how strong the magnet is, I mean, this is not going anywhere because that's all steel. So it'll hold that with no problem. I was also impressed to see something else. Let me show you something pretty silly, by the way. Now, pretty silly, something you wouldn't do, but this is an 8-pound Husky sledgehammer that's holding on to that magnet. So, pretty ridiculous, but it is a pretty strong magnet. Last thing I'll show you is if you want to remove this, it's going to be really hard to remove. So what you need to do is just push it to the side, and that'll release some of the magnet, and then you can take it off, right? Otherwise, it's pretty strong. This is not going anywhere. So guys, pretty short and sweet, but I hope the accessory becomes available. Again, I'll put the Lowe's link in the video description when it becomes available, and you can also search the internet for this magnet toolbar. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.